Hello, hello! Here we are once again to some very beautiful place, and I think this is called the Gross Market. There are some local stalls, food stalls, and stuff like that. And then, yeah, there is this beautiful view of the castle from here, and yeah, a busy street. Thought to show you as well. So join me and enjoy the beautiful Edinburgh. So this was the pub we came last night when there was no other pub for us because all of them were fully packed and some of them were closed. This was the last hope of ours. Here is a to-be bride, Mrs. something, and there are the bridesmaids, which is called the Team Bride. Pizzeria made in Italy cafe bar. Now where are my mates?
What you saying?
Where are my mates? Because I asked them then they can walk while I start my vlog to show you guys, and now I don't see them anymore. It's not good. Let's see if I can catch with them at some point while we walk and enjoy the beauty of Edinburgh.
I went to stay there, but I know exactly what happened.
Wow, really a live place to be at.
There's one there.
The view from here a bit from the top. Wow, wow. This is also a very famous street, the most photographed street, it's called. Let me take you through this as well. Yeah, very popular street, guys. You can't get tired of it. The beauty of the architecture, the number of people, and still so beautiful. Yeah, the last bit is, I think, under renovation. I don't know what's going on up there. It's all covered by the scaffolding. There's a car moving very carefully, slowly through the crowd. Yeah, this is a view from bit of top. There is a tour getting ready, I think, to depart. Yeah, there are a lot of walking tours in Edinburgh. And yeah, this is called the Victoria Street, and here it describes the street. Welcome to Victoria Street, built between 1829 and 1834, Scotland's most photographed street and believed to J.K. Rowling's inspiration for Diagon Alley. An old bookshop has traded from this site over 4 decades, with shelves stacked to the ceiling and walls. This was the original Flourish and Boots bowl blocks. I think this has been about this shop. Long case. Yeah, that's everything for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the beautiful street of Edinburgh. See you later.